in the darkest corners of our world, light blooms without wires, batteries, or bulbs. From glowing plankton that make ocean waves sparkle to fireflies flashing secret codes on warm summer nights, this is bioluminescence. A living light, older than humanity itself, more efficient than our brightest LED lamps. It may also be the key to lighting our future. Bioluminescence is light made by living things, through a special chemical reaction between a molecule called luciferin, an enzyme called luciferase, and oxygen. When they meet, energy is released, not as heat but as pure light. That's why fireflies don't burn up when they glow. Bioluminescence is 100% energy efficient, compared to about 10% for a regular light bulb. And unlike fluorescence, which needs sunlight or UV light to glow, bioluminescence shines on its own, even in total darkness. Why does nature glow? Light serves many roles. Some creatures use it to hunt, like the female anglerfish, which dangles a glowing lure to attract prey. Others use it to defend themselves. Squids eject glowing ink to confuse predators, and tiny plankton light up when disturbed, acting like a burglar alarm that calls in bigger predators to chase off attackers. And some use it to hide. Deep-sea fish glow on their undersides to match faint sunlight from above, blending perfectly into the background. While most bioluminescence happens underwater, some land creatures glow too. As mentioned before, fireflies are the stars of summer nights, each species with its own unique flashing code. In caves of New Zealand, glowworms create starry ceilings that lure insects into sticky silk traps. Certain fungi, like Panellus stypticus, glow softly in forests, attracting insects that help spread their spores. In North Carolina, a species of glowworm discovered in 2019 produced the bluest bioluminescence of any known insect on Earth. Who knows how many more creatures have yet to be discovered? Bioluminescence can also help in medicine. Today, scientists mostly use bioluminescence in labs to study diseases in animals like mice. They can add the glow system to certain cells. When those cells light up, researchers can see what's happening inside a living body using special cameras. This helps scientists study cancer by watching tumors grow or shrink in real time. They can also test new medicines. If the glowing cells change, they know the medicine is working or not. They can track infections by observing glowing bacteria to help researchers see how infections spread. Why is this important? Bioluminescence lets scientists look inside living bodies without surgery. It helps them understand diseases better, develop new treatments faster, and see how drugs move and work inside the body. But what are the challenges? The glow isn't always easy to see deep inside the body, and the technology still needs improvement before it's widely used in people. What's next with these methods? In the future, bioluminescence could help doctors personalize treatments for each patient, monitor diseases like cancer in real time, and combine glowing imaging with tools like MRI for even better results. Scientists at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, also known as MIT, along with researchers at other universities around the world, are working on an exciting idea: creating plants and trees that can glow in the dark. At MIT, engineers have found ways to place tiny particles inside plant leaves. These particles can absorb light energy and slowly release it as a soft glow. It's a little like how glow-in-the-dark stickers work after you shine a light on them. Other scientists are taking a different approach by adding special glowing genes from naturally bioluminescent organisms like fungi directly into plant cells. This allows the plants to produce their own light. Light Bio is a company in Wisconsin that figured out how to make glowing plants in a simpler and cheaper way. They used a special glowing gene from a mushroom and added it to petunia flowers. They sell these glowing flowers called firefly petunias. You can actually buy them online right now. During the day, they look like normal flowers. But at night, their leaves glow softly like fireflies. The glow is connected to how the plant uses energy, so scientists can also learn how the plant works by watching it light up. One big goal is to create new kinds of natural lighting. Imagine trees that glow softly along sidewalks or plants that light up a room without using electricity. Because plants use sunlight for energy, glowing plants could someday help reduce electricity use and pollution. Researchers also hope their work will teach us more about how plants function and how to safely combine biology with new technology. Right now, glowing plants are still being tested in laboratories. But in the future, they could change the way we think about lighting, energy, and even city design. As we look to the future, bioluminescence holds incredible promise. From glowing plants and trees that could inspire sustainable design to groundbreaking medical advances that use light to detect, monitor, and even treat disease. This technology shows us how nature's brilliance can guide innovation in powerful and responsible ways. Yet at the same time, we must remember that natural bioluminescent species like fireflies are already struggling, in part because of increasing light pollution that disrupts their mating signals and survival. As we stand on the edge of glowing forests and life-saving medical innovations, we must choose to move forward with wisdom, protecting the fragile firefly signals that still flicker in the dark. The future of light is in our hands. May we use it to illuminate, not overwhelm, the natural world.